Can we get answers on Google Forms? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll find out if we can actually find the answers on Google Forms. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So there have been a lot of videos or a lot of different trends that show you that whenever you open up a form in your browser and you just go ahead and inspect it, you get the answer. But let's find out if that's true. So first, what we do is we right click on anywhere on the form and then tap on inspect. After you tap on inspect, you'll get this open up right here. So right here, you can actually select what you want to find out. So right here, if you see, if you click on this and you head over to these options, you'll notice that you can actually see a lot of different options. So if you just tick on any one of these, and if you just multiple choice questions, if you just select any of these, it will just change the value here. Not even the value, it just gives a different uh, you know circles a different shade. So as you can see, all of these are actually just the front end. There is no back end here, so the front end here does not actually show you guys the answer. So as you can see, this is a label, this is just the HTML and not anything else, so you cannot actually see the answers that you need for your Google Forms. So yeah, I hope this answers your question, guys. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.